Welcome to the Vehicle Turntable Installation Guide. Please follow these steps precisely to ensure safe operation and longevity of the equipment and vehicle. Let's talk about site preparation. The turntable must be installed on concrete floors. Please do not install on asphalt or any other non-concrete surfaces. For more information on the floor requirements, please refer to the user manual. Determine the center of the installation site. Create chalk lines on the perimeter according to the diameter of the turntable that is being installed. Position the central rotator according to the center of the drawn circle and the diameter of the disc and level it. Next, place a circle of guide rails based on the large chalk circle that you've drawn. Do not anchor the guide rails at this point. After placing the guide rail properly, place the first frame support without the motor. Next, use a level to check the height of the guide rails to ensure that all 6 are on the same plane. If they aren't, use shims to level them. Secure it with 2 bolts to the central rotator, but do not tighten them yet. Rotate the support frame by 1 full rotation to ensure that it travels perfectly along the guide rails. Adjust the positioning of any guide rails if necessary. Once the position of the rotator and guide rails are correct, secure the central rotator with anchor bolts. Next, place the second support frame opposite the first one. The remaining support frames are then placed symmetrically. From here, connect all the support frames together with bolts, ensuring proper contact between rollers and guide rails. Remember to not tighten them just yet. Install the slip ring connector to the center of the central rotator. Connect the 4 motor wires to the slip ring connector, inserting 2 wires into each way. Connect the control box according to the electrical schematic. If connected correctly, the power indicator light will turn on. Next, connect the control wires of the electrical control box to the slip ring connector. Now it's time to feed power to the turntable. Start by selecting manual mode on the control box and rotate the turntable both clockwise and counterclockwise. Make sure that the turntable rotates smoothly along the track and make adjustments if needed. If the turntable operates smoothly, secure the guide rail with anchor bolts. Next, place the central cover plate onto the structure, making sure that it is in the center. Use self-tapping screws and remember to install the remaining cover plates opposite each other. Place the remaining cover plates onto the frame in sequence and do a few test runs to make sure they all run perfectly in a circle. If they do, use self-tapping screws to connect them to the structure. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your car turntable from Babco. If you have any questions at all, please reach out and we'll be happy to assist you.